6-3. Intermediate 6-3.
Did Ben get on? Yeah, I'm on. Ben, do you want to drive it and finish the budget?
54-3 or 4.
Block it off. Or pull right up in beside the ambulance.
Ambulance 68 from station 63 on C. Charlie. Okay, copy.
Team from Deputy, you want to shut down at Gypsy Hill in Beaver Valley? Traffic 50 from Chief 54. Team from Deputy, you want to shut down at Gypsy Hill? Yeah, Gypsy Hill, Beaver Valley. And I want to shut it down at Beaver Valley and 10 Grand as well. Traffic 50 from Chief 54, you on the air? Okay, boy, what are you watching? If you have the resources, close it down at 10 Grand, Beaver Valley Pike, and Gypsy Hill and Beaver Valley. Okay, you're going to have to get more help because we don't have enough help. Get 60 probably and maybe 59. We're going to need more help. It's got to close all those.
County engine 54-2 is right.
County, traffic 50's on location.
Traffic 50, okay. Chief 54, we'll start 59 for Penn Grant.
Roger.
County Squad 54-1, Chief 54, Squad 54-1, we'll take Beaver Valley at 10 grand. Squad 54-1, okay. Squad 54.